We're celebrating 2 years of PackageRoute with our biggest innovations to date. We set out on a mission to create a service to ease the lives of contractors with no strings attached, free from long-term contracts and additional device costs. And with this focus on our customers, we've continually streamlined the delivery experience for both contractors and their drivers. We introduced unprecedented technology by integrating live feed data. Real-time manifests and comprehensive route optimization means more stops per hour every day. We provide the tools to solve problems and make faster decisions when drivers are out delivering. Live data also means visibility in real time. Always have a finger on the pulse of your operation, wherever you are. We provide free DOT-compliant features to help keep your drivers and vehicles safe. Track each driver's safety training course progress right from the PackageRoute app. Automatically keep record of your employees' logged hours for each pay period. Then export recorded hours to your preferred payroll software. Automatically generate shift schedules within minutes for your entire operation. Coming soon to PackageRoute. Schedule vehicle maintenance with automated reminders and full service history. Publish monthly maintenance reports for your entire fleet. And save money on maintenance with automatic cost estimates. For the very first time, view dedicated analytics breakdowns for your operation derived from your live data. Reference statistics on who you need to help and reward your top performers. Know essential metrics and make improvements to how every route is run. The game is changing fast. Get all the tools you need to unleash your operation and break the cycle. Start your free trial today at app.packageroute.com.